Greetings everyone! Today's video is about one of our days in one of the closest park here in our area. It's very nice and a relaxing place with your family. You can do strolling, jogging, and just have a quality time with your family there. So me and Esther, we hang out there most of the time, especially when we want to do biking. No motorized. You can bike, but you cannot bring your scooter or any motorized vehicle. So yeah, it's a heads up just in case you think of it. So beautiful today, 83 degrees, and me and Esther will go for a walk, and she's gonna ride her, what's that, hoverboard. And we are now at Heyburn Riverside. Okay, let's go. Do you hate it when your phone runs faster than you? Come back here! I'm showing you guys the riverfront trail of this park, which is so quiet and very scenic place to enjoy. At this trail you can walk, you can jog, or rollerblade. No motorized vehicles allowed. Also at this park you can bring your binoculars to watch the waterfall, birds, porcupines, red fox, and other wildlife, and see the sunset, sunrise. It's a beautiful place to hang out with your family. And when you are traveling with your RV, this is the place for you. it's a good spot, and you can really rest and have peace. It's a peaceful place. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. God bless.